Hey, Divine One, I want to read to you something I wrote a few years ago in hopes that it might inspire a shift or some movement within. There are going to be moments in life that are less than ideal. Your life will sometimes unfold into a reality you never wanted, or events may occur that turn your world upside down and inside out. With life sometimes comes pain, and through pain comes growth and enlightenment. It hurts, and it's okay to honor that hurt, acknowledge the hurt and sit with it, but continue to move toward the light. Focus on what you want to feel and move toward that. Healing doesn't mean stop living. You can heal in each moment of each day as you are living, examining how you react to the world around you. Take mental notes and do more of the things that make you feel peace and at ease. The things that fill your heart and soul with fiery passion and inspiration. You can honor the darkness within you and still move toward the light. Allow each moment to be an opportunity to learn about the world and how you exist in it at this very moment. Breathe in trees, flowers, clouds, the earth. Pay attention to how you move, how the ground feels beneath your feet, the rhythm of your beating heart. Notice the beauty in every detail of this earth, this life, this moment. Breathe it all in. And then take inspired action that will propel you towards the life you want. Continue to breathe in the beauty and allow that beauty to unfold in the work you do, in the action you take, in the words you speak, and the breath you breathe. In those moments, as you change the world, when what you do comes from within, the moment inspired by the essence of your soul, that's when magic spreads across your life and into the souls of others. That's how you make meaningful change.